So today we're at Children's Hospital, and we're just about finishing up a major part of this job. You can see this client has some spandrel glass that's been printed on, and what we did is we went ahead and applied it to the glass. That way their pattern can flow. Gives them semi-privacy. And here you have the spandrel glass that was existing. We just took their design and again just had it flow in to the vision glass. These are all custom printed films. It goes from clear to frosted to less frosted to more frosted, back to clear, all in one film, easy to apply.